Hi guys, welcome back to Relatable Girl. Once again, it is very late, so I'm going to be kind of quiet. I tried recording this video earlier and had a little trouble with my camera, so hoping we won't have that trouble this time. I went to Urban Outfitters today, which is not really a store I go to that often because they're kind of expensive, but I picked up some things there because I do love their nail polishes, and I really wanted to pick up some lime crime, which they have. So I got this baby, which I'm really excited about. This is the Venus XL. It is beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Here's the back. Pop it open really fast. And yes, I have my glasses on because when I recorded earlier, I still sort of, you know, daytime ready, but not anymore. It's late. I have to say, Lime Crime has really stepped up their packaging. This new packaging is beautiful, feels very substantial. And look at these colors. Just look at them. This is a very nice selection of warm tones, lots of jewel tones in here. There's some sparkles, which I'm excited about. I cannot wait to play with this. And it really doesn't have too many like boring, unnecessary shades. Like they have blank canvas in here. That's really the only one I can think of that's kind of just like, eh. But yeah, this is beautiful. And it's got a mirror in it. It's not a bad mirror. It's actually pretty good. Definitely seen worse. So yeah, I'm very excited to play with this. And I also picked up some nail polishes. My birthday's next week, and I'm treating myself. So let's see if we can do the zoom thing. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah. So here's I'm trying, you guys. Here's the iridescent. This one's got like a blue-green color shift. This one's got like a blue-pink color shift. So I'm excited about these. These should be really pretty, and they shouldn't show too much when they chip, I'm hoping. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'll probably make either a video when I use the Lime Crime palette the first time, or maybe do an Instagram live. So I'm excited though. It's a beautiful palette, and I'm so excited to play with it. This guy still needs a name, by the way. If you have some suggestions for what we should name our alien friend, I would be very happy to hear it. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe and let me know if there's any videos or product reviews or story times that you would like me to do in the future. Anyway, for now, thank you so much.